Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Knotty Threads. Just in case you're watching our video for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on our future updates. Today's video is a very interesting and very quick video, so watch till the end and I'm sure you guys will love this video. So I have created this skirt using an old shirt. So without any delay, let's get started. So here I'm using my dad's old shirt because of these stains. He does not use. He's stopped using it, and I thought of doing something interesting with it. So just below the pocket, I'm drawing a straight line, and I'm going to trim off this part of the shirt. I have kept the other half so that I can use it for something else. So just keep the other part aside for now. So here I'm going to remove the top button because that is coming in my way. So using a scissor, I'm going to cut it off. So to make the skirt, you will need either 1 inch or 1.5 inch wide elastic. So once I remove the button, I'm going to fold and stitch the top part of the shirt like this. So fold about an inch and stitch it from the start till the end. So in case you do not have a sewing machine, you don't have to worry. You can do this part with a normal sewing needle stitching by hand. So I'm sure you guys will have lot of old shirts that you of your brother or husband or any man in the house. So do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you like it. So once it is stitched, this is how it looks, and in this opening we are going to insert this elastic. Using a safety pin, I am inserting the elastic here. So this project gets done in less than 20 minutes if you have everything in place. So it's a very interesting and time saving project, so do give it a try. So once we have inserted the elastic, we're going to place the ends one on top of the other and stitch it like this. I'm going to and fro a couple of times so that the stitch is intact. So in case you do not have a machine, you will have to do this part with hand as well. So once we have it like this, I'm going to cover the elastic by pulling the fabric. So just to give it a little fancy look, I'm going to give a V stitch like this. And once this is stitched, that's all. Our skirt is ready, and depending on the length of the skirt, it can be used by uh, a girl aged around 3 to 4 years. So this is how easy it is to stitch the skirt, and the bottom line, I have not done anything since I've just used the shirt itself. So the bottom of the skirt is already finished. So that's why I told you guys it is a very quick project and it gets done in less than 20 minutes. So do give it a try. That's all in today's video. In case you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Share our videos with your friends. I think I shall see you guys very soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, stay tuned. Take care, guys, and bye bye.